Tile and coping renovation. Can a pool coping be replaced partially? The pool has a vinyl liner that needs replacing. Also, how much approximately would you think it would cost to redo the plumbing of the pool if a leak is found?
That question's got too many variables in it. Sounds to me like the question was tile and coping, but then it was coping on a vinyl liner pool. Not sure if that makes any sense, unless it was a true tile system that the vinyl liner had tile. But
or maybe it was just specific to coping.
Maybe it was. You can, in fact, replace sections of coping and not break out all of it if need be. Of course, easier certainly done when you're having a line replaced. So yes, that's all possible. In terms of what does it cost, you're talking about replumbing is putting all new plumbing underground is one thing. Breaking out and repairing a spot where that damage is a completely different thing. So breaking out and fixing a leak once it's found is a $500, $600, $700 deal probably. Replumbing an entire pool once the patio is out is probably a $5,000 deal.